Hello, welcome to lesson 3. In this lesson, we will explain in details and practically how to print the different types of data on the screen by using the type built-in function. And then we will explain the different types of comment in Python, both single line comment and multi-line comment. And we will also see the simplest and easiest way to swap two variables or more. Now let's open our folder and create a new file in it, or we can also use our existing file. Alright, so I've opened my folder in my Visual Studio Code editor. I'll come to the new file icon, click on the new file, give it a file name. I prefer to use file1.py. So I have successfully created my file. Alright, so let's create 3 variables, A, B, and C, and store different kinds of data inside them. So A equals, let's use a string, so hello Python. Alright, let's create variable B and give it a number, variable C, and give it a floating point number, let's say 12.5. Alright, now after creating them, we will want to print each value on the screen. We will use the type built-in function. So if you want to see the kind of data hello Python is, the kind of data 25 is, the kind of data 12.5 is, you use the type built-in function. So print, you open your brackets, type, and then open another bracket and indicate your variable name. So what this will do is that it will show you the type of data you have inserted or you have stored in variable A. Let's do same for B and C. Save this file because it is here unsaved. Our new file, which is file1.py, is unsaved. So let's quickly save it, and then straight to our terminal you bring Python followed by your file name, which is file1.py. Now straightforward, it's telling us that the class we place in variable A is a string, str, string. The second one is an integer, int, and the third one is what? It is a floating point number or a float number. Now after C, let's create one more variable called new. Inside the new, I want us to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the variable called new. Same applies to this. When we want to see the kind of data type we have used, we type print. Alright, let's save it. Let's come to, it is saying it's a list. A list is a new type of what? Class. Now let's talk about repetition of string. We can repeat a string by using the asterisk operator. The asterisk operator, we all know the asterisk operator. Shift plus 8 will give us asterisk. So for instance, we want to print hello Python a couple of times, right? So we just have to type print, open a bracket, A, which is what? Hello Python, and bring the asterisk, and let's say 6 times. This will print hello Python 6 different times. So let's save this and see the results. So you can see it here. Hello Python, hello Python, hello Python, hello Python, hello Python, and the last one, hello Python. 6 different types. So we can also do what we call concatenation. We can also concatenate strings by using the plus operator. I want to comment this out. We speak about comment later. You can also what? Concatenate. Alright. So example of concatenation. Just type print. After print, you bring your brackets and type whatever string you want to join with the other string. So let's say I am learning. So let's give a space and bring the plus, because to concatenate you need a plus symbol plus another string. That means adding a string to a string. So I'm learning Python the right way. Alright, that means I am going to join this set of string to this string. So that is what is going to happen. This set of string to the other string. Alright, so let's save this file. After saving the file, let me try and view the file after concatenating it. So you can see it now better. I am learning Python the right way. So that is how to what? Concatenate what? 2 or more strings. Now let's talk about comments. There are 2 different types of comments in Python. We have the single line comment to comment on your, let's say, on your code, to write a certain explanation about your code on one single line like this. You see all the rows are numbered. This row 1, row 2, row 3. So let's say a single line comment is, let's say, row 1. You can quickly use the hash to comment out, so that when you are dealing with your code or you are viewing the files, the software will automatically what? Take the commented line out. You also have a multi-line comment, like what I have done here. I've typed print from row 6 to row 9, line 6 to line 9. I can use a single quote, 3 on top and 3 at the bottom, to comment out all the block of text within this particular line. And then I can also use the now both single quotation and then double quotation can be used for commenting in multi-line. This is what? Double quotation, and this is what? A single quotation. Both can be used in multiple line comment in Python. Alright, let's move to something very, very interesting, which is what? Swapping. So let me comment this out and type swapping. Let's create 2 variables. Variable A, let's give the value of 20, and then variable B, let's give it a value of 5. Now let's come to the next line and write A comma B is now equal to B comma A. What you have done is that you are assigning the value of A now to become the value of B, and then the value of B now to become the value of A. So to print, let's see whether the variables have indeed swapped. So let's print let's print A, and let's print also B. Let's print B. Okay, so we'll move to our integrated type writing file1.py. You can see the variables swapping. Originally A is 20 and not 5, and then B is 5 and not 20. But you can see here that the variables have what? Swapped. And this will be the end of our third lesson.